Okay, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to create some heat races. I went ahead and added some drivers. I just double-clicked and add them. We learned that in the last lesson. I have 27 drivers in my system. We're going to do it a couple different ways. I'm going to save this 27 driver list for group qualifying. So let me go to another division, 410 sprints. I have 14 drivers. And I'm going to go ahead and create some heat races. So that's up here in the rack option. Rack your heats. Tells you how many drivers you have. I would like 3 heats. Tells you the maximum in one heat is 5. So let's go add 2 heats. So now we'll have 7. How many laps is our heat race? It's 8 laps. And we're going to do it by pill draw, or you can sort them by qualifying time. You can rack your heats by pill draw or qualifying time. And you can have an invert for either one. Normally you wouldn't have a pill draw with an invert, but I'll put it in there anyway because I don't have any qualifying times. So I hit the OK button, and now it just created my 2 heats. And if I sort my list by pill, and I had an inversion of 4, you'll notice that 15B starts 4th in the first heat, 13 starts 4th in the second heat, and so on with an inversion of 4. Notice the little blue and gray numbers here that shows you that you inverted 4 of them. So that's how you create a normal heat race. If you made a mistake, you can clear this. Hit the clear button. It gives you a warning. And then you can re-rack. Just hit rack the heat. Actually, if you re-rack it, it's going to tell you. So I'm going to go to 3 heats with no invert. And there you go. Now we have 3 heats with a pill draw with no invert. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a group heat. Normally when you group, you have qualifying. I don't have any qualifying times typed in, but if I wanted to, I could type all these qualifying times in. But it'll function just fine without it. The concept will be the same. So first thing we'll do is assign the groups. Normally you assign groups before they qualify anyway. That's what this assign grouping button is. I have 27 drivers. I would like 3 groups. And I want to assign the numbers consecutively. A for the first 9, B, as opposed to alternated, which would be A, B, C, A, B, C. Most tracks do it consecutively, and if you watch, it's just going to put a group that they're in. Group A, Group B, and Group C. So 27 divers, 9 per group. Now I'm ready to rack my heats. Now what I'm going to do in this situation, just to show you that it's possible, you can leave it at 1 heat per group. 1 heat per group will give you a total of 3 heat races, and all the A drivers will be in heat 1, all the B drivers will be in heat 2, all the C group drivers will be in heat 3. I'm going to go ahead and make 2 heats per group. What that means is all the cars in group A will be divided into 2 heats. All the cars in Group B will be divided into 2 heats. All the cars in Group C will be divided into 2 heats. I'm going to do it by pill draw with a 0 inversion. So I'm going to get a total of 6 heats. That's what it's showing me right here. So 2 heats per group. I hit the OK button. It's going to create them. Let me make this window a little bit smaller. Drag it over. And you'll notice here now I have 6 heats total. I have heat 1 for group A, heat 2 for group A, heat 3 group B, heat 4 group B, heat 5 is group C, and heat 6 is group C. If you made a mistake, you can just go back and do it again. It reminds you you're going to clear it. I want all of them in the same. So now I just went to 1 group per heat. So heat 1 is group A, heat 2 group B, heat 3 group C. So that's how you generate your heat lineups.